Right. We've all been to this situation when it's end of month, payday soon, but we have to improvise with the products. And therefore today I propose you to cook some chicken hearts. Why chicken hearts? First of all, chicken hearts costs 4 times less than chicken breasts. And if you cook it right, they're gonna be delicious. And I will also show you a little secret how to enhance the taste of the dish, to mix everything together and to increase the calories on the dish. So let's see. About the ingredients, we will need very simple stuff. Basically, I got some carrots, I got some onion, I found a bit of potatoes, which is great. We'll try to make everything in one pan, so even better. And I got some chicken hearts. Well, chicken hearts you have to go and buy. You can buy them in most of the shops these days. So let's start cooking. These are the chicken hearts, and you have to prepare them. So when you buy them, this is the full chicken heart, and when you buy them, you have to cut them open and check if any blood left. As you can see, here is the blood. You just put it under the water and you're good to go. This is how the blood looks like. So we just clean this up. See a bit of blood, just take it out. At the end of the day, you have amazing clean chicken hearts. I cleaned all of them like that. As you can see, they're all open, no blood left. Let's start cooking in the pan. Olive oil in, or any oil you have back home. If you don't have onions or carrots, just ask your neighbors. I mean, this costs nothing. Carrots in. And remember, what's very important is that onion and carrots cost cheaper than meat. Once you're satisfied with the color of your onions, they should be golden, add chicken hearts. Mix well. Now chicken hearts, they're very easy to cook. They cook quickly. Don't forget to mix. Salt and pepper. And after about frying for 5-10 minutes, we'll add some potatoes and some water. Now we mix well. Try to put potatoes on the bottom. If you have, add a bay leaf or 2 or 3. Put the lid on and leave it for about 20 minutes. In 20 minutes the dish will be done. Meanwhile, let me show you the secret that I wanted to show you, how to enchase all the goods in the dish. Take a little piece of butter, teaspoon of flour, and we mix. It's like a cheap version of bechamel sauce. Butter should be room temperature. This is like extra 300 calories, which is good, and it will just explode the taste. Voila! This is what we have. And we should add it towards the end. So in like 10 minutes. See what we have after 10 minutes? Looks perfect. Now let's add our butter with flour. We'll mix it a bit. Now, this is optional, of course. Now, another little hint is, if you want to cook it faster, just cut smaller pieces. That's it. Now let's leave it for last 5 minutes, and then we're ready to serve. We have the final dish in about 20 minutes. Well, first of all, I really like this dish because of the color, the orange carrots, the yellow potatoes, the chicken hearts, and I added a bit of green herbs on top. You can add whatever herbs you have home. If you don't have them, don't add. Let's try it. Chicken hearts are very tasty by themselves. very hot, but it's amazing. Now price wise, I cooked this for 4 portions, I think, maybe 5, maybe even 6. And the price per portion would be less than 2 euros, less than 2 francs, less than $2. So it's quite cheap, and you can survive on it. I mean, like, it has all the nutrition value here. So you have proteins from chicken heart, you have carbohydrates from potatoes, carrots, onions. You have some fat from the olive oil and butter. You have minerals from salt, and it's overall a very balanced, very nice looking dish. And if you never tried chicken hearts, I highly recommend you to try it. So thank you very much for watching me. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like this video, hit the dislike button. And if you want to see more survival recipes, end of month recipes, leave the comment below, and I will cook more recipes. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye.